Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Now in today's video I thought I would do a bit of a repair of something that I've never really featured on my channel before. Now I love to go thrifting, and something I look out for is old media. So I picked up a couple of VHS tapes. This is one of them. So I picked it up. It is some weird, I don't know, late 90s, early 2000s. Looks like a Power Rangers clone with, person, the little ninja, cyber squad, samurai. So some weird clone VHS. Looked odd, so I thought, just pick it up just to watch it. I have a TV that's a VHS DVD combo, and I took it out when I got home, and I made sure it actually is what it says right there. But when I took it home, I was about to pop it in, and there we go. So this is all melted plastic. I did not want to put it into that VCR TV because it would have probably broken it. So thought to myself, well, more than likely the tape inside is probably fine. So what I thought we'd do today is we're going to see if we could transfer the contents of this VHS into another one. Now, yes, we're probably going to be losing all of this, obviously. So all the writing here. There's a chance I could save the back, but all we're going to do is we're going to pop out all the screws, disassemble it, and see if I could just replace the top case. So here we go. So for this repair, I've looked up some guides online, and really all you got to do is you take out all the screws. So I believe there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 in the middle, which is like a little tri-wing. The rest are regular Phillips. And we're going to see if we can just swap everything over. So first things first, I think we'll start with the corners. If I can just get it. That's one. Now, the melted plastic doesn't make taking these screws out any easier, unfortunately. 2. Oh, there we go. 3. And 4 from the corners, like I said. So they're just regular black screws. I honestly never even thought about doing this before with a VHS. Take that. I'm using my iFixit screwdriver set, so I have all the bits I need. And leave that in the middle. Now to take it off, it should be pretty simple. Apparently you have to take it off this way. If you take it out that way, there are some pieces on the bottom that will fall out, and that is the last thing we need. So on the VHS, there's that little button tab, so you could bend this side up. And I've already cut off the home video sticker. And there we go. So that is the inside. So hopefully this will work. So I'm going to take this, put it to the side. And I have a donor cassette, which I'm going to grab. Now, this I did thrift a while back. I thought, honestly, it was the first one, but it is not. So it is Short Circuit 2. I don't know if anybody's a huge fan of this series. I like the first one. Past the first one, I'm not really a fan. This movie wasn't so great. It's just building off the first. It's just repeating the same jokes. So all we're going to do, essentially, is the same thing. It's not the same exact cassette, but I think they're all built pretty much the same. So we'll try to take out that tri-wing. It will come out. We'll put it on that side. And we'll get out the others. So we're just going to grab this very gently, move it out of the way. And now this is the other VHS. And now I'm going to have to replace that yet again. One moment. So here's the one I want to fix. I'm just going to try and get a little bit closer from where I am right now. It looks terrible. I know I should not be touching the actual tape. I do apologize for those of you who are cringing at home right now. I'm doing my best. The tape is completely straight. So we're almost there. Let's flip this around once. Stay in there. Okay. Now we gotta take this side. There we go. Should be done right now. So what I'm going to do, take the top of this one, gonna line it up. Try to line it up at least. There we go. Eek. Not looking good. Fix that. There we are. And we should be good to go. All right, so here we are at the TV. Now I'm not going to be using this because I'm afraid if I didn't get it in right, it's going to destroy it. So instead, we're going to be trying this little VHS DVD combo that I have. So here we go. I'm not going to be playing too much of this. This should be that Power Rangers ripoff. And it should start playing right away. And there we go. So as you can see, seems to be it. So I pressed fast forward. And it is fast forwarding. And if I press play again, just to show you this is me. We got it fixed. So there you go. I mean, it's not the most difficult of repairs. Yeah, the spring inside definitely is a big pain in the butt. And I will have to take all these stickers off. I don't know, maybe I'll make a label on this just so I know which tape it is, but effectively I saved that VHS tape. So there you go, simple repair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. I'd definitely appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one.